Hi kids, do you know what a WAN is? Well, I'm going to tell you anyway. It's a wide area network. Basically, it's like IPs or ISPs are WANs, but they also connect WANs because you can have like with this here, you have a main office and you have a branch office in another city or something like that. That's also a WAN from the perspective of the main office or this company or what have you. Okay, so all we're really going to do here is we're going to look at some stuff about WANs. So I'm supposed to go in here and do some show stuff here. So show run fast Ethernet encapsulation frame relay right here. Now you got to do that when you're doing WANs, because you well, not necessarily frame relay, but you have to have some sort of WAN encapsulation. There are different types. Frame relay is considered one of the better ones. Nothing on serial 001. It's got a default route for the internet. Okay, that's that. Now, show IP interface brief. Oh, IP interface, that was my thing before. Okay, so we're using fast Ethernet 00. And as you can see, the serial has 42, so that the default route up there is pointing to this network here. So, okay. And then there's some stuff that's not going because I don't want it to be. Now let's okay, so now let's minimize this. And we are now to go to oh, no, my bad. We're supposed to show frame relay map. And so serial 000 is going to 41 DLCI, which is a unique identifier that only matters between the point of presence in the branch office and the switch that you're connected to in the ISP is 201, and I think that stands for Data Link Connection Identifier, if I remember right. And then show frame relay PVC. PVC stands for Permanent Virtual Circuit. And this is just stats of what types of packets have gone in and out and stuff. You have your FEC-in packets, which tell devices further along the network that there's congestion, and you have your beckon packets, which tell the tell the devices back in the network that there is congestion. And your DE, which means discard eligible, anything marked with a DE packet designator is eligible for discard. In other words, if there's feckin' and beckin' happening, then something's being DE'd and it'll just be dropped. Now show frame dash relay IMI or LMI. Okay, that's local management interface, I believe. And this is just more status of numbers that got sent and received and so on. As you can see, there isn't too much here. Alright, that's all for branch 1, it looks like. Branch 2, we're going to do all the same stuff. And there you see again on serial 000, encapsulation frame relay. Got to do that if you're going to use a frame relay. And you have a default route again for the internet. Okay. Now show IP interface brief. You have your inside stuff here, and this will be the inside part of your outside interface. Okay, now show frame relay map. Okay. And there again is our DLCI, the IP address we're going to. And show frame relay PVC. Your feckin, your beckin, your DE. Nothing really going on there. And last, show frame relay LMI. And nothing really going on there either. Alright. Now we look at main. We do all that same stuff again. Because one router is not as good as another. Show run. And I mean it. One router's not as good as another. Alright. Encapsulation, frame relay. This has a couple of routes. What's going on here? Okay, these are the routes to take to get to there. Alright, now show IP interface brief. See here, it's got a serial connection 2, 4, and 5, which these were the ones that went to the branch offices. And these are sub-interfaces on serial 00, so it's one physical connection, but two logical ones, if you will. Okay, and this is going to give us for the physical interface and for the sub-interfaces. So here's the physical one, serial 000 with no dot thing there. And then right here you have your dot 102 and dot 103. These are your sub-interfaces on the 000. So yeah, it says serial 000 there. And all the different requests and references and stuff are in here. Okay. Show frame map. And you'll see here that you have both of those, 102, 103. They even have DLCIs to match. Okay. Show frame relay PVC. Feckin Beckin DE. And that's pretty much it. When would you want to use these? Well, especially this one here, you want to know about congestion along your WAN, so this here, and if you're getting discarded packets, you might need to do something about either your CIR, committed information rate, which is like a guaranteed speed from your ISP, or do something on your end, because I think you can get congestion on your end too. Okay. And what beneficial information can be obtained? Well, I think we've been over that. But like I said, feckin, beckin, and just different messages and stuff like that. Like invalid stuff over here. And different your sub interfaces and whether they're up and what their IP addresses are, stuff like that. So I think we'll call that one good. See you next video.